Now that we got the car taken apart, we're gonna go ahead and cut out where the wheels used to be on the wheel wells. Right there, that side, and the other side to the bed. Just so we can kind of see what's inside of these. Because, I mean, suckers are pretty thick. So to just kind of see, like, it sounds hollow inside of them, but opening those up is where the wheels are gonna go, obviously. But it'll help us see kind of what's inside of it as well. So then we can see what else we need to cut off of the inside of all of these panels. Because I'm pretty much just gonna be using them as body panels. Body panels are just aluminum sheeting, right? I think, I don't know. But, and then we'll find a way to attach it to the actual frame that I'll be building. But let's go ahead and cut out the wheel wells. Okay, I've got the left side up. We're gonna cut out the wheel wells there with the multi-tool. And then do the right side. Okay, I changed angles. Let's try this again. Okay, just cut out the first piece. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so it seems pretty hollow, very hollow. I'm gonna do the other 4 or the other 3 before I cut anything else. So yeah, let's get to it. It died. Let's get a new battery. Okay, let's get back to it. All right, second piece. Okay, now that we got both of them cut out, I'm gonna kind of look at them. I gotta figure out what ounce I need to cut off. Just to make it like a body panel. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna do. But I'll figure it out, huh? Okay, what I think I decided is I'm just gonna, okay, see this line right here? Yeah, I'm just gonna cut right down that and make it one big panel like that. And but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut it right down the line. Cut off all that extra stuff we don't need. Oh yeah, also ear protection. This thing's pretty loud. I'm actually, it's gonna take a long time. I'm gonna use the electric chainsaw though. Yeah, this should do it faster. Ear protection though.
Yeah, much faster.
Oh yeah.
Huh. Are you filming yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
Getting the film. I'm gonna post it on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, if you don't know, my wife, she's on TikTok and Instagram. Monroe Anderson. Go check her videos out. Pretty good. I'm in some of them actually. Sweet. We've got our side panel. Now I've got to figure out if I want to cut this inside part out right there. But I'm gonna cut these part right here and right here just to open up the wheel well. All right, there we go. Now, just gonna do the same thing to the other side, pretty much. Yeah, put this off to the side. body panels. There they are. Yeah. Doesn't look half bad. It looks like, though, I am gonna have to trim out those wheel wells a little more on both of them, just so the wheels can actually fit in. I guess I'll do that real quick, you know. Look what I just looked up and saw. Old Papa Mark playing some darts. All right, so finished cutting everything up, and just realized that I'm gonna have to cut out part of that too. What I tried doing is, let's see, all of the kind of mechanisms that lock it together, I tried keeping it on all of the corners just to make it a little easier to keep it together, and that might be one of the ways I can also like attach it to it, you know. But yeah, I'll have to cut those parts out. Well, this is what it's looking like. Got most of the plastic stuff that I think I'll need off. I'm not sure if I'll need more. The only parts that I'll probably end up cutting off once I make the frame is, let's see, this little plastic part right there. Maybe to give a little more clearance, leg room, whatnot. And then some of this plastic right here on the side panels on both sides to give a little more room. But overall, this thing is coming along. It's looking good. It's also looking big. Looks pretty big. Yeah, so I might just, I don't know. I'm definitely gonna try to keep this stuff right here, so I'll probably have to cut right underneath it. Looks like to get the full wheel well out. Yeah. Oh, and then yeah, I'm not sure, but eventually once I get everything done, the engine will be mounted, you know, somewhere there. I'm gonna build like some sort of custom hood. It doesn't look like this plastic is too thick. Hopefully I'll be able to just buy like some sort of plastic sheet, use like a heat gun to match some of the kind of bends and stuff on the front of the hood, and then also put a windshield. So the steering wheel will probably sit somewhere right here ish. The seat will be back here. Same with the gas tank back right in here. just to give you, you know, as much legroom as possible. I'm also still deciding if I want to put 2 seats in it or just leave it 1 seat. I mean, it'll be a really big single seater or a really tight 2-seater. So I guess we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna sit in it to kind of see. I'm thinking this will probably be about where I sit. If I tried to do a 2-seater, I mean, boy, it would cramp. And I'd have nowhere to put like the gear shifter. So it'll definitely have to be just the single seater. Steering wheel, I don't know, somewhere right here. Which also gives a lot of room. Like, I'm just about 6 foot, and sitting down I have plenty of room in the front, which will give me plenty of space to mount the engine up there, right above the front axle. Is kind of where I'm thinking I'll put it, which also gives a ton of room for, you know, suspension, stuff like that. In the next video, we'll be probably starting on the frame, hopefully, but I'll catch you then.